Welcome everyone to Old Man Wisdom. It's Friday again, and so it's time to review the EURUSD. We're going to have a quick look at what's been happening this week and what we might expect for the EURUSD next week. So stay tuned, we're going to go over to the charts and take a quick look. So here we are on the EURUSD. This is the 1 hour chart. You'll notice this little blue mark here. This is where the week started. And of course, the market fell away all week to where we are now. And the market is due to close in just a couple of hours' time. But what happened at the end of last week was we had this signal to sell, which we took. We had a 40 pip stop loss up here. We had a 40 pip break-even line here, at which case we move the stop loss to break-even, and then we have our 80 pip take profit here, which of course we easily hit, and price continued to fall away. So that trade started last week on the Friday. So this was last week, this was this week. The week before last, we had this sell trade here. And again, this was a 45 pip stop loss. We hit our break-even line here and our take profit was here. So we've had, in the last 1, 2, 3 weeks, we've had two fantastic trades. This trade here, by the way, was a 40 pip trade, a 40 pip stop loss with an 80 pip take profit. So we did really well here. 80 pips. So this was a take profit around here. So something like 170 in the last 2 or 3 weeks. So some lovely trades. And it's nice that I've been able to show you these trades, because previously in July and August, we didn't really have much trading going on. So it's been really nice to be able to show you this strategy, how it works, and of course some of the successes that we've had. And this is how I manage my trades. Of course, we're all different, we all trade differently. Technically, there's not a right or wrong way to trade. Usually when traders fail, it's because they're not consistent, either in their style of trading or the way in which they manage their open trades. So being consistent as a trader is absolutely vital in my mind. So these arrows are painted by my indicator, the 1 hour power indicator, which is available on my website, oldmanwisdom.co.uk. And this indicator here is the multi-time frame moving average, which I absolutely love. This too can be found on my website if you want to download it. So this is the week that we've just had. As I say, we've had a lovely trade that was opened at the end of last week, and we've been following the trade for 3 or 4 days this week until it closed in profit. But what about for next week? Well, next week, what we would like is for price to pull back up towards the multi-time frame moving average. We want to see the MACD come up towards the 0 line, and if price stays under the multi-time frame moving average and we get a sell signal, then that is what we will be looking to do. We'll still be looking to sell the EURUSD next week. Of course, today is Friday the 1st of October 2021. So next week we will continue to look for opportunities to sell the EURUSD. That is the simple analysis of the EURUSD. The reason why we're looking to sell is because price remains below the multi-time frame moving average. And it's as simple as that. That's my analysis. There's nothing complicated about it. It could be that price just continues to drop and we won't get any more signals from the MACD to sell. But ideally, we'd like to see a good pullback and the MACD give us a signal to sell maybe towards the end of next week. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. But we'll only be looking for sell trades all the time that price is below our multi-time frame moving average. So I hope you've enjoyed this content. There's been a couple of trades here that I've been happy to show you. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and of course subscribe to the website as well if you'd like to get these indicators for yourself. So until next time, everybody take care and happy trading. I'll speak to you next week.